But yeah, it was 30 minutes here, 20 minutes there, because I've had crap going all day long.
This is what happens when I don't come to help him. He actually gets something done.
No.
So you had a torch?
I just torched these screws off here, and took these bolts out. That shift mechanism, lift it out, take the PTO linkage off of it.
And I've been editing the video from yesterday, and we forgot to explain what this is that we're trying to get to.
This is just the shift cover for the range transmission, reverse.
And that's the high-low range.
High-low, park, reverse.
I have to admit, I'm a hard-working person.
You got one more bolt left in over here.
It don't go all the way through.
That one don't?
Oh. Well, it's
stripped.
It's loose.
It's loose.
Yeah, I think that just... Yeah, because it was moving. We've got it up that far.
Yeah. Now I just hope this thing's recording. What are we hanging up on?
I don't know. It's that park. So either way, you take it that way or push it in down, it's still. Either way, it's still tight.
Hmm.
Right there.
Sucking oil lines.
Should take that one off.
I can't even see how far back it goes. Oh, it goes back and 90's back over.
Yeah, it goes back to that. It's either the brakes or the diff lock. Probably the brakes.
If we pull that pin out of there, will that slide up over that, or?
Well, that one, it's the...
Or where it's connected inside.
Fork. Yeah, you don't want to take this off because then it'll fall down. And
okay.
Fall down inside there. And so, that's why I'm trying to leave everything together on it.
Yeah, we don't want to be falling down in there. Maybe it would have been easier to take the cab off.
Yeah. Jeez. What the hell are we hitting? I can't see over there.
Yeah, on the oil line.
Am I underneath that plate?
I can't tell.
Yeah, that oil line's right there, but I didn't want to pry on that oil line. Well, you just bend it out of the way. Anyway. Jeez. Yeah, there's just no
way to get in on there and pry.
Can't even get over on the other side because I'm jacks underneath it, and the tire, and the cab stand. Just
There's no way to get at it from underneath, is there?
I don't think so.
Doesn't look like it.
Yeah. It's like a shift fork or the park prow around
Hi.
that.
What are you looking at?
So under it's like parks engaged. Oh crap. Just
Can't quite get in the can.
dang. Oh, so damn close.
Maybe a little bit smaller one?
I don't know. No, because this big gear in there is in the way. There we go. That's the deal. Park's engaged.
So the park is engaged.
I think so, and it's aha. See if you can pry on that with something.
On.
This.
Let me find a record this in case I fall flat on my ass. Oh. Oops. I just put a hole in your beautiful insulation up here. We are bound up right there on something.
On that park deal.
You're trying to get the park brake disengaged.
Oh, heavens.
Well, I'm pushing against the top,
Let me.
and you're trying to pry up.
Is there a screwdriver or something? Just right here. Maybe I can stick that in there, maybe, but nope. No, that's gonna. Let's go back. Maybe try letting go. Yeah. Well, that screwdriver. No, never mind. I'm gonna do nothing. Let me feel it. Yeah, we're still engaged.
Why the hell is it staying engaged? Oh. For only being 25 degrees outside, it sure is hot in here.
Yeah. You can go unplug the heat.
Well, I ain't complaining. Like I said,
Oh, I'm starting to get warm here.
I've been freezing all day.
So well, what the? Okay. So where'd that hammer go? Anything's holding us. What the hell? Oh, inside there. I was gonna say that whole plate should go and then we should be able to get it out, but that whole mechanism's hitting the side now.
Well, that ain't good. So which way do we gotta go?
God, I don't know. Yeah, if we take that apart, we might have to take it apart. Let that pin drop. But there's that spring loaded though. We can't do that.
Yeah, we don't want to mess with that spring.
Yeah, there'd be no way we could compress that and get it back in there. Easily.
Yeah. I just don't get why it won't come out of park.
Because of the spring. If this is all undone,
There's nothing holding it. Okay. That makes sense.
I don't know. We got the reverse shift fork out. It just fell out.
Just fell out.
Because that shaft goes all the way down through. Since we got it up far now.
Does it look wore out or?
Nope. Just a little bit wore on the nubs there. Yeah, that's.
We're gonna think on it for a minute. You got the big bar out now. Well, you're pulling this side up and pushing the other side down.
I know it. I was hoping to. Yeah, we're engaged. So.
Let me see if I can.
Oh.
Ow! Oh. I just buried a hydraulic handle into my chest. Woo!
Yeah.
Boy, that thing does not want to let go. I'm just not quite long enough to get on it. I have to pry on the lid. Crap. Damn.
Well, tractor was wanting to roll.
Yeah.
Well, that's the deal. It's still in park.
that's about as high as I can get that pin to go. And Jeremy's bar just fell out. Oh, there's something just came free.
Okay. Hopefully. Now, jeez, I don't know if that's. Okay, come down here. Wait.
Oh, okay, where do you need me?
You just hold this bar right here to hold that up.
Okay. I can do that. Oh, I can't even do that. Oh,
jeez, of course.
now we're wedged. You want me to let down a little bit, or?
I don't know. Yeah, maybe here. There we go. Jeez.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that view of the cab mount. We got it free. Now Muscle Man has to lift it out of there. Oh, man alive. I don't know how to help you. Can we take that rod off?
Yeah, we can.
That's what you're catching on. Oh boy, they didn't make these tractor cabs very comfortable, do they?
Nope.
Doesn't help, birds ate all the foam out of it.
Now I'm wore out fighting the damn pin.
Now you're hitting that score.
I know, that's... Are you damn international engineers, why would you engineer that damn thing right there? This block needs to be a little bit taller. Oh my gosh. My goodness.
Have the guy on YouTube do it.
It really didn't show much during this part. They fought it, but he started taking this bolt out, but I don't know if he put it back in or if he took the whole thing out.
That thing looks like a pain to get out.
Let's
You have to take that bolt out first before you get the other ones out, couldn't you?
Well, I'm just going to take this pin out, and then it will flop that way.
That pin.
Yeah.
I thought it was a bolt.
There's a this cotter pin.
Cotter pin.
Let's- Jeez.
Probably so much crap on it, it won't come out.
I don't know, that's gonna probably go down, but oh jeez, did it just break? Yeah, there's still part of it in there. My goodness. I tell you.
Oh.
And 16ths.
There's nowhere for you to be camera crew up here, so. Hello. Hi. Huh? We're at the shop watching Jeremy work. Yeah, kind of. I haven't done the front yet, so I didn't know if you wanted it. Huh? Yeah, I didn't know if you wanted to do the front too or not, so okay, we can do that later. Oh crap, I forgot about going to the store. Let me see how late I get out of here. Yeah, let me see how late we get out of here. Okay. Okay, that'll be the last of the beef and broccoli if you have it. Yeah, I had some for lunch, and then Bub had some when he got home. Yeah, he liked it, so. I know. Yeah, he usually doesn't like that kind of stuff, but he actually liked it, so. Okay. That was your boy. He's a growing boy. And I just realized this whole conversation's on camera. No, that's okay. So. All right. Okay, love you too. Bye. I forgot I was supposed to run to town and get milk today.
Yeah.
Milk and bread.
This one's the center one. Remember that.
Yep.
The red one is the reverse.
Aren't they both red?
Well, this one's more
The one that's more red.
red. Yeah. Cleaner.
The cleaner one is reverse. It's on camera if it kept recording.
Yeah.
You playing Thor's hammer over there? Okay, well just be careful. They got the big rubber mallets and they're over there pretending to beat each other up. Nope. Now Steiger wants to go beat on his tractor. It just needs to rock back just a little bit. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. Then that pin will stay in there.
Yeah. That might come out the way you had it.
Yep.
Oh, your spring just popped off.
Oh. Yep.
What? I have no idea what we're looking at there. I don't see anything that looks too wore on there. Hi.
Sure. Everything looks good in that.
I was gonna say.
Usually these little bushings break and wear out. And it gives it enough to flop.
So I wonder what's going on with it. Why won't it engage?
You got your high-low gear there.
So what gear would it be in now?
Right now it's in neutral. I think, yeah. Then take this and, well, I don't know. Ow! Damn it. So that might be low. And you put that back. No, that's low because that turns that big gear. This one, that free wheels, and then that one's engaged.
So where's high?
It's this one. Actually, yeah, that's high. This is low because this gear's bigger.
So how do you engage it into high gear?
Right there. See,
It
now
turns
it's out.
both.
Yeah, then they're both turning. Everything looks okay. It's not really wore. There. Yeah, there's supposed to be a clip ring right there. I don't know if there is.
I don't see one.
There is something there. It's really, yeah, there is a clip there, but
It looks broke.
yeah. But that's on that video I watched. That clip ring got out of there, and it slid that shaft all the way through, and so the shift fork fell out, so they didn't have reverse.
So where would you be for reverse?
Well, I don't know, it's got to be when these gears line up with these side gears down here. Would be reverse. Them gears down there. I don't know which one is which, but
God, kid just scared me.
have to push that down, put that back into park before we, oh, that's gonna be fun.
That's gonna be really fun.
Well, I guess we'll
Tackle that when we get there.
yeah, we'll keep looking and try and find something.
There wouldn't be something wrong in the axle, would there?
No, well, I don't know.
Something seized up in there that won't let it move.
Yeah, I was just going by the word of the mechanic that come and looked at it before I bought it. Said it was something to do with the linkage here, why it wasn't engaging.
Well, that's true. The handle wouldn't go into gear, would it?
The handle would go into gear, but nothing was happening. So that gets me wondering. Huh, I don't know. Have to do some more research on it.
Yeah, 'cause nothing on there looks bad.
It's a little bit wore, but I don't think, 'cause that's your, so that is your high-low. Oh, yeah, that roller down there is not looking too good. And I'm wondering, there's a roller down in there. Yeah, we're gonna replace this for sure.
Yeah, may as well where you got it down.
Yeah, there's a bushing like that one right underneath in there. It's kind of cockeyed. Hopefully that's it. Hopefully we don't have a rack and pinion problem back in the differential. I don't know. We'll keep looking it over.
Oh boy. All I know is we about killed another battery.
Okay. Then I did notice there's a spring inside here that fell down. Oh, it actually just fell out. It was in there, and I don't know where.
Which side is supposed to hold the
That's-
camera right, you retard?
It goes on that thing, but I don't know.
Which way it goes on?
Yeah, I know I might have to take this snap ring off and pull this thing off.
Boy, I am really struggling holding this camera. I just filmed that whole thing staring at the torch. Try and find you?
No, Ethan.
Where is he?
I want to hold that. What is that?
It's a camera we use for recording our YouTube videos.
My cheeks are cold.
Your cheeks are cold?
Yeah.
They're pretty rosy red.
Yeah. Yeah, we've been running around. I've been
Alright.
at a gas station.
You've been at a gas station?
What, Dad?
What?
Well,
Can you get me something on?
guess that's a good place to call it a day for today.
Yep.
At the gas station.
What? Yeah, when we go get Emma. We gotta go get Emma in about an hour. Whoops.
It'll be a couple of days before I'm back over here.
Yeah.
It's my weekend to work. So, all right,
That's my
Ethan, you say goodbye? Really?
Tiger, it's over there.
From Ethan, Steiger,
Oh.
Jeremy, and me, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.